If I told you, I know how it all ends.
This guy is hodling along there. Massive losses, minus 52% and minus 62%.
And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And
The degenerate gambling in the stock market is completely out of control.
I haven't won shit in a long time, man. Might as well just drop money on the floor, right? And then just walk away, because what the fuck are you doing?
So we're going to get into some of these crazy losses and stories. So let's start off with this guy who says once in a lifetime guaranteed way to lose money. He's basically posting asking for a big daddy to step in and give him some money.
Yeah, boy.
And guess what, guys? He only wants 50% of the profits, but I'm sure he's not going to share 50% of the losses.
I think I want my money back.
It is completely insane. And then you've obviously got all the micro strategy, or strategy, if you want to call it that, losses that are coming out. The stock has just absolutely tanked, and obviously so many dip buyers were trying to buy this.
So why is it that you never buy the dip?
And Wall Street traders were just lapping it up, taking out their stop losses and laughing in their face. I mean, it is no different than going to the casino, pulling an all-nighter like this lady did, and take a listen to the sort of stuff, because it's very similar parallels to what people are doing in the stock market casino.
I'm doing this. If anybody wants to know, did I win a jackpot? No, bitch. Where is my jackpot? I haven't won shit in a long time, man.
You know why? You know why you haven't won? Because you're gambling and the house always wins. But that's what these people don't get. So $50,000 loss on MicroStrategy shares only, still hodling. I mean, you just can't make this up.
if I told you, I know how it all ends.
And if you take a look at the stock, year over year, the stock is down 48%. But in the past 5 days, it's down 15%, 31% in a month. So this guy is hodling along there. Massive losses, minus 52% and minus 62%.
And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And
He doubled down on his losses, which is the sign of a loser when it comes to trading. It is the sign of a loser when people double down on their losses. You should actually be adding to your winners. And then this guy puts, am I screwed or should I just wait? He is down 79.37%, $27,700 gone. This is completely insane, the amount of money people lose on these trades. And they're not getting the free drinks that most people are getting in the casinos. At least they're being waited on. You know? At least it's somewhat social gambling, you could say. But just sitting in a corner in your bedroom whilst trading puts and calls on SPY is just completely ridiculous. So as you can see here, would you rather have $7,000 or $0? And the guy is pointing to the fact he has $7,200 left in his account right now. And obviously, if he keeps hodling there, he's going to have zero, because most options expire worthless unless you've got some type of insider information. It is just a losing game for most people. Hedging, yeah, I can see a case for it there, but it's very complex. And then you've got Amazon calls. This guy is down 43.84%, down $6,700. I mean, it's just completely insane, the risk that people take on.
Fun coupons! See that?
And this guy's still hodling and buying. So who knows what's going to happen with that guy? Maybe he'll get out. And then, you know, speaking of doubling down, what about tripling down, quadrupling down, cincoing down, whatever you want to say? But this guy, I mean, just look at it all. I mean, literally, he's losing on everything. And he just keeps buying calls for all these different stocks here. And it's just completely insane. Do you guys remember AMC? Because AMC, I remember it to this day when this stock was exploding. But if you look at most people right now, 85% of that stock has completely vanished. So is this guy cooked? I think so. Well done. Burnt. Congratulations. Toasty. So yeah, not a very good one there. This guy is down 17.9%. And I think I can tell by that font that that's Wealthsimple in Canada. So the Canadians are on board with this as well, with gambling in the stock market.
Hey, we'll be in Timbits, eh?
What? Oh my God, yes!
I mean, it is really just absolutely insane. Probably end up like this guy, just basically tweaking out because he lost so much money in a casino. So many people are going to end up in that situation, apart from they're going to be on their mother's bedroom floor, because let's face it, that's where most of these are coming from. And then this guy bought 10K in triple Q puts here. He's down 78.37%. It's pretty difficult in the stock market if you're actually buying, selling stocks to have these such massive losses. But obviously when you're trading calls and puts and options, very complicated instruments, and pretending like you know because you won once, then it's just a complete disaster for a lot of these people.
I think I want my money back.
And then Michael Saylor himself posted this, which is just absolutely hilarious. The Titanic going down and he's there on the lifeboat getting away. But I don't think he's on the lifeboat.
Fill these boats, Mr. Lightoller, for God's sake, man!
Again, if you look at what has happened to the stock, this is a year over year, it's down 48.61%. He's selling his Bitcoin holdings because it's just a complete Ponzi scheme, the whole company. And then people are obviously really, really angry about this. Not themselves at MicroStrategy, not their own gambling, but at Michael Saylor here.
Go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it.
You got this guy who bought stocks and he also bought some puts, and he's down right now around 46.71%. Lost about $21,000. You know, the amount people are losing, that's 3-4 months work for the average American. It is just completely insane how much people are losing.
So why is it that you never buy the dip?
And how quickly this money gets evaporated into the casino. At the end of the day, the house is always going to win. And as a trader myself, I can tell that this guy is literally not a trader, because look what he does here. He has the classic behavior. So he's sold down here, and then look what happens. So he speeds this up in a second. So he's sold. It's coming back up. What's he going to do? Sell again. That is how you know whether somebody's a real trader or not, because this guy, it went against him, the trade, and he added to it. Like, that is just completely ridiculous if you think about it, because if you were right, you would be adding to that call. You would not be adding to a losing position, because the probability is that you're wrong then. So it is completely insane what people do. Filled. And it's also obvious, you know, that they're not real traders.
Yeah, boy.
And I don't even know if that's a real loss, but it's claiming to be a $56,000 loss. And quite frankly, as a trader, it's hard to watch. And guys, I'm not rich. I don't make insane amounts of money, but I make a decent amount of money, at least through trading. And it's all about consistency. And it's more about how you are mentally and psychology than just what goes on here, which I just find completely insane. And then Michael Burry is shutting down his asset management company here.
You okay?
No.
So everybody was talking about how Burry was short in the market, and he's probably gone against it. People have to remember that Burry was wrong for a long time about subprime and the mortgage market before it actually went bad. So you have to remember that, you know, Burry was actually wrong for a long time before he actually was proven right in his trade. And he was obviously doubling down on a loser most of the time, and he had to pay these insane premiums. But Michael Burry's out. And then you take a look at some of the comments on this as well. My estimation of value in securities is not now and has not been for some time in sync with the markets. Think we have a word for that around here. Trade retard. He probably hasn't realized everyone vibe trades these days.
So why is it that you never buy the dip?
And it's not trading though. It is literally gambling and betting, and it should be just renamed. I mean, the Robinhood app is a casino app. It's designed the way it's designed to hook you in and make you buy puts and calls, things you just don't understand the math on and are extremely complicated and used by institutions. So it's just completely insane. Most of these people obviously will lose, but do you want to give that guy your money, the guy who's after money, so he can go ahead and lose it? I mean, it's just completely crazy what we see, right? So anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.